Welcome to Mathotropism. Today we are going to see in this video a sum from Lines and Angles of NCERT class 9th book, exercise 6.2, sum 1. The sum is, in the given figure, find the values of x and y and then show that AB is parallel to CD. So first let me take the line which is cutting the two pair of lines as L, and now we are going to identify and understand what is given and what we need to find. So first is, since L is the transversal, we can see on that line x and the 50 degree make a linear pair. That means x plus 50 will be equal to 180 degree. So from that we can find x. Similarly, we can see that L and CD are intersecting lines. So y and 130 degree are vertically opposite lines. So y will be equal to 130. Now they have asked us to find the values of x and y and then show that AB is parallel to CD. So with respect to x and y, we need to show that AB and CD are parallel. So now we need to compare x and y. And when we take a pair of lines and a transversal, we know that x and y are alternate interior angles. If you want to know more about the pair of lines and a transversal and pair of parallel lines and a transversal, what angles they make and how we find that, I have given the video in which you can see that. It's in the playlist how to do. So coming back to here, we need to take the alternate interior angles, and to show we need to use the theorem that if two angles in pair of alternate interior angles are equal, then the two lines will be parallel. So that is how we are going to prove. So only we need to see that x and y come as the same value. So now proceeding, what and all we have understood, we are going to form equations and find the values. So first is given is AB and CD are a pair of lines and L is the transversal. So we can see x and 50 make a linear pair. So x plus 50 is 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 minus 50, which is equal to 130. Also L and CD are intersecting lines. So y is vertically opposite to 130. So since vertically opposite angles are equal, it means y is also equal to 130. So when we see x and y values, both are same, and x and y are the alternate interior angles for the given pair of lines AB and CD. Since these two are equal, we can say that AB is parallel to CD, because if a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel. This is from the theorem. So we have proved AB is parallel to CD. So thus we have showed whatever is asked. Thank you.